launched one of our biggest milestone, which is the basic engineering of the AC coupled battery energy storage system. And by basic engineering, we mean a sizing of the battery, plus a design report and the BOQ calculation of the BOQ. So I can show you directly this part as well on pvDesign. First, all we have to do to start or to enable this tab, which has to do with the batteries, all you have to do is to introduce a KML or KMZ file that has the area, this VA, it's the battery area, and inside of it you need to put an MV point, which is a connection point to the MV cables, and once you upload it, you will be able to enable this tab. So I will go directly to a design that has the battery system. So as you can see here, I can show you directly, or even in the layout, in the preview, or in the details, just to show you the area that I was talking about, the BA area. And that's where the software will try to install as much as it can of batteries. So as you can see here, once we have the BESS tab enabled, let me zoom in. We will have several sections. The first one is the power conversion system. So first we will need to define the equipment and define our PCS. So you need to choose the storage inverter, which is generally a central inverter. Define the number of inverters you want per PCS. You will get the corresponding power. Then you need to define the battery container. So here you have two options. You can either go by container, or if you have information regarding the racks inside the container, you can also choose the racks. So here for the racks, you can choose the capacity per rack and also the number of racks per container. And if you go for the container, you can indirectly introduce the capacity of the container as a whole. Then we have the BESS requirements. So same as for the plant, we have maximum capacity and specific capacity. So for the maximum one, all you have to do is select it, and the software will try to install the maximum batteries. Let us refresh the layout. And by the way, when refreshing, you will get here all the information regarding the power of the plant, and also information regarding the supply of the battery, like the supply duration, the power of the battery system. You will have them updated in here. So as you can see here, for maximum capacity, we try to add as many batteries as possible. And if you choose specific capacity, you have to introduce the number of PCS that you want, and you will get the specific capacity requested. And finally, you can choose here the number of supply cycle or this supply cycle duration, the number of hours that you want. And it will be also displayed on the top bar. And finally, from the civil part, you have here the dimensions of the PCS and also the dimension of the container of the battery that you can modify from the software. And also we have two different distances that you can modify, which are the distance between consecutive blocks and the distance between opposite blocks. So once you run or you generate your design, you will, as I said, or as I mentioned, you will have a report of the batteries. As you can see here, a design report on PDF and also editable format. And also you will see the changes of the BOQ. You will have a sheet for the BESS in the bill of quantities. And also in the energy calculation, you'll have the losses included in the energy part.